What is going on, guys? Today we are unboxing the Infinix Smart 3 Plus smartphone, and this is a really good smartphone for its pricing as it has got a 2 gigabytes of RAM and 32 GB of storage with triple cameras and a 6.2-inch teardrop notch display. So the color is really good, and putting the phone aside, let's just dive into the box and see what we get. So we have got a charger, and it's a slow charger, I believe. Yes, and we have got these earphones along with the charging cable. Obviously, we have got the SIM ejector tool, and moving on, we have got all of this paper booklet that no one will read, obviously. And then we have got a hard shell case included inside the box. Now this is a very good gesture on behalf of the company, as it makes your phone ready to go out of the box. We have also got a screen protector. Let's put that aside and check out the phone. Peeling off the cover, as you can see, the phone is really big, and let's just peel the back as well. So peeling the back, as you can see, it's a really beautiful and shiny display. So moving on, let's dive into the phone. And after setting up this phone, I have realized that its speed is really good. It is a really fast phone, and the camera performance was surprisingly great. So more of these details will be provided in the full review, but up till then it is a really good performance. So thumbs up for the phone, and for more details subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.